Welcome back to this video, and in this video I will show you the top 3 possible ways to hide photos and video and other files on Android phone without installing any apps. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone. Like for instance, I have AI Gallery on my phone right here. What you need to do is to simply look for AI Gallery from your phone. So I'm going to simply click on that. So it's going to take you to all the media file you have in your AI Gallery. Now from here, you can select as many as possible photos that you want to hide. Like for instance, I'm going to select this. And for you to select, just click and hold down and begin to tap. So I select about 5 photos right here. You can also scroll down and look for the video that you would like to hide into the gallery. So, and still looking for the video. So I'm going to hide this particular video right here. So you can select as many as possible video as the case may be. And once you are done with all the video and photos that you would like to select, next thing you need to do is to simply click on hide right here. Hide. And so this is going to pop up, click on hide, and in a few seconds it's going to start loading, and boom, all the photos and video has been successfully hidden. This is the one of the first one. So let's take a look at the second one, by which you can use to hide your photos and video on Android phone without installing app. And the second one here is Google Photo. So let's head over to my Google Photo. Then having clicked on Google Photo, all your media files, photos and videos is going to be found right here. Now you can select photos. I'm going to select this photo right here. Then having selected a photo, you can also check on the video that you would like to add into the gallery. So you can, from here, I'm going to simply select this particular. So having selected photo, I'm going to simply select this particular video right here. So I'm going to simply click on it. Now we have selected photos and video. Next thing we want to do is to come down below right here, and we swipe this way, and then you have to simply look for move to lock folder. Simply click on that, and lock folder backup is off. Continue. Move to lock folder. These photos and video will be hidden and won't show up as you scroll through the Google Photo or in other app, and won't be backup. Simply click on move. That's been successfully moved. Then we can click on view, enter our lock pattern to check on the file that we move to the lock folder. Now we have them right here. So this is the first one, and this is the second file we move to the lock folder. So this is the second one by which this is the second way by which you can use to hide your photos and video in Android. So let's take a look at the very last one, which is the third one I'm going to show you right here. The first thing you need to do is to open up your file right here. Right here, I'm going to simply click on my file. Just like so. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to simply head over to images. Then you can select the image that you would like to hide. So for instance, I'm going to hide this particular image. So I'm going to simply select on that. You can hide as many as possible. So you can select as many as possible images. So once you select them, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this 3 dots from the top. This is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on move to save folder. Simply click on that and enter your security lock password. Click on next. Boom. That's been successfully moved. Then let's view it. Enter your security password again to view the file. Boom. We have it here. So this is the first photo and this is the second photo. The same way we move the photo is the same way. That's simple. Basically, this is the top 3 ways by which you can hide your photos and video in Android without installing apps. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.